What's up guys, I'm back with another video and today I'm going to be talking all about my luxury purchases from Italy. I'm so happy I was able to find one of the pieces that I really wanted. I'm going to get to it just in a minute, but one of the reasons why I always buy designer stuff from Europe is because as a US citizen you're able to get your tax back on it, and the price is like a third off the price tag that you would get in the US anyways, so you end up saving like hundreds of dollars. And when I go to Europe I always save money and I go spend it there to buy my designer stuff, especially if I'm buying it new. If you would like me to make a video about that separately, I'm happy to do that, to explain to you guys the entire process. Let me know in the comments down below if that is something you would like to see. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna make this fast because I don't like watching unboxing videos that take 20 minutes. So I'm gonna make this short and sweet. I'm not unboxing everything. Already everything is unpacked. So the first thing I got are these gorgeous Louboutin earrings. I mean, they are to die for. I kind of got them on a whim. I had seen them on one other blogger that I follow, but I really wanted these and I found them at this Louboutin store. I bought them immediately and I have not taken them off since then. They are so gorgeous. They're stunning in real life. I've been getting compliments on them the entire time. I haven't seen anybody in the US have them other than this blogger, so I don't know if she got it from Europe too, but if you find them at your Louis Vuitton store, get them because they are worth the money, I promise you. So good. The next thing I got are these Bottega shoes. I posted these on TikTok. By the way, I'm on TikTok now. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead. I'm at Sarah Adam Hafez on TikTok as well. These shoes got a lot of mixed reviews. Some people love them, some people hate them. I love them. I feel like when I wear them, I'm like a whole other person. Like I should have an alter ego when I wear these shoes because I feel like a bad bee when I wear these. Like literally, they're the most beautiful, most stunning, most unique shoe I have ever seen because it's a square toe. It's very comfortable to wear because your toes aren't squished into like a point, and this chain detailing on it is so beautiful on your feet. Oof. And you know, I don't wear heels. I never ever wear heels, but I wear these and I wear them a lot because these shoes are surprisingly very comfortable too. I would say this is probably like a 3-inch heel, and I've been wearing these out for, well, now I can't go because we're all quarantined, but when I was able to leave the house I was wearing them everywhere and they are just stunning. You have to get them. If you find them, get them. Trust me, you will feel like a brand new woman in these. Okay, the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is this stunning clutch. I have had my eyes on Bodega Mineta forever, and I just happened to walk into the store. I was contemplating between a Chanel bag at that time, but when I walked into the Bottega store, I feel like I needed to have it. Their prices are actually pretty reasonable for designer stuff. Like Chanel is for sure like high end, but for Bottega I want to say it's comparable to Louis Vuitton pricing. So I really wanted to get this bag and I got it. It's actually quite spacious. I should take out the paper and show you guys actually. That'll be better. I can fit my phone in here, a card case, keys, and a lipstick. It's a really beautiful evening bag, but then you can also wear it as a crossbody if you need to, but I fully plan on wearing it as an evening bag. The detailing on this is absolutely stunning. Like I love it, and it's like a nice like floppy shape, but it still just looks so polished and chic. I've been planning my outfits around this forever now because this is just so good. The next and last thing I want to talk to you guys about is my rare item that I found. So I had my eyes on this bag since last year, but it got sold out immediately as soon as it was released into the US market. I mean, it's so beautiful and it's rare. Let me show you. This is it. A Prada bag that is shaped like a heart. Isn't that freaking stunning? You've probably seen it on my last haul that I did because obviously I couldn't like help myself. I had to take it out of the box and use it, you know what I mean? So they released this in like a red, a pink, and a black, and immediately it got sold out. I pretty much had given up on this bag. Like I did not think I would find it because it was limited quantity and very rare, but I was able to find it in the flagship store in Milan, and I'm so happy I found it because this is so beautiful. It's so chic. I love love this bag. Just to give you like a quick glimpse of it, if you want detailed reviews on any of these items, please let me know. I'm happy to do that for you guys as well. So this has like a small compartment in the bag. Even though this looks like suede, it's leather, which is really nice. So this is the shallow compartment, and then the front is a deeper compartment. Like, it's pretty deep actually. I'm able to fit my vlogging camera, a wallet, keys, lipstick. I mean, what else do you really need, you know what I mean, in a bag? I'm not one of those people who carries 500 things on my shoulder. I can't do it. That's why I always like smaller bags. If you find it, get it, because I don't know how many people in the world actually have this bag. I have not seen very many people with it. That concludes my little designer haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I am having a lot of fun making TikTok videos, so if you are actually on TikTok, please go ahead and give me a follow, because I would love to have you guys there too. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, to like, subscribe, everything. I'm still a small channel, so any interaction you have with my video helps, and I will forever be grateful. I will see you guys next week with a brand new video. Bye!